Welcome back to my channel, y'all. It's Nari, and today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to watercolor doing the reverse ombre method. When I tell you it's a long time coming, but we made it. I'm so happy with the color and the outcome and everything. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie, this is my first time doing this, and I bodied. Like, I was really worried because when I was doing it, it was not, y'all gonna see in the video. I ain't finna spoil it for y'all, but please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see how I got this color, please stay tuned. I also want to tap into my outfit. I got this little jumpsuit romper. Let me see it. I got this from Bad Society Club. I'll also tag them down below. It's a Black-owned business, so you already know we support those. I got my shades from the Gemini shop on Instagram as well, so y'all can see how it looks. Cause what? Hold on, like, yes, y'all, I'm so happy with the outcome. I love this hair so much. This is hair from the company, will be tagged down below because I literally just forgot. But yes, this is simple summer look. I feel like anybody can achieve this look. Of course, I had to do the dark roots, honey brown roots, because I'm not dealing with ash blonde all the way around. I'm just not that comfortable yet. I gotta work my way up, but this is me stepping up, excuse me, this is me stepping outside my comfort zone. Like, what? You can't tell me nothing. I really love this install and this freaking color. Like, stop playing with me. Let me get a close up so y'all can see the lace. Like, what? I body this is the best yet. Like, you can't tell me nothing. But yes, thank you guys for your continuous support. Love you guys so much. And also, like, comment, and subscribe. Please DM me if you have any other video requests or any other colors you think I should try. I will do that because, you know, I'm out of school now, so I used to be scared to walk around school with hair colors. I don't know why. Fuck that though, cause let's get it rolling. Your girl grown now. She got her fucking degree. Like, baby, you can't tell me nothing. So yes, but stay tuned to watch this video, see how I got this color. Love you guys so much, and see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay, y'all, I started off by toning the hair with the purple shampoo. It's actually my first time using this method. If you don't want the Barbie blonde and don't necessarily want to use the Wella hair toner either, you just can tone it with the purple shampoo. So all you have to do is get warm water and put the purple shampoo all through the bucket, and make sure you keep dipping the wig in and out of the water so it saturates the hair until you get it to your liking. Y'all, please forgive me for this crazy setup, but it's pretty much self-explanatory. Like I said, just put the purple shampoo in the water and keep dipping it inside and out. And then this is the hair after I finish toning it. I'm just spraying it with heat protectant spray and getting ready to blow dry it. Tonight, look what you made me do. Oh, somebody new. Oh, baby, baby, I'm dancing with a stranger. Look what you made me do. Oh, somebody new. Oh, baby, baby, I'm dancing with a stranger. Okay, now I'm going in with the Kiss dye and honey brown to dye my roots. This is the first time me using the Kiss brand because I normally use Adore. So first time for everything. Last time y'all seen my root dye video, I used the Mocha and Adore, but I wanted to try something a little bit different because I wanted lighter roots. Just because I am doing the ombre, I didn't want it to be too dark. Like I did in my previous dyeing video, I'm using a toothbrush because I believe you get a more seamless look and you can get close enough to the root without actually dyeing the lace. I'm also using the same technique I did before, just parting out a small section. Make sure you get on top, the bottom, and in the front. Baby, baby, I'm dancing with the girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say they need it. Okay, I'm going in with that same honey brown dye to start the ombre color. And you want to just start off with a little bit of dye and gradually put more in to make it darker, because you don't want the first set of color to be dark, because like I said, you're gradually going light to dark. So as you can see, I'm mixing it in, and I'm not gonna lie, it took me a few tries to get this, because you're gonna see in the next clip when I dip the wig in and I squeeze the wig out, the color is gonna literally come off of the wig. So like I said, it's a process, but just trust the process. Keep dipping the wig in until you get the color that you desire.
Oh, baby, baby, I'm dancing with the stars. Can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say now. Oh, now.
Okay, y'all, this is the exact clip I was talking about. As you can see, I'm wringing out the wig and the whole color, like literally, it's not even on there. So like I said, this is going to take some time, but keep dipping and adding more dye as you go, and you'll get there. Trust me.
Tonight, look at what you made me do. Oh, somebody new. Oh, baby, baby, I'm dancing with a stranger. Look at what you made me do. Oh, somebody new. Oh, baby, baby, I'm dancing with a stranger. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say now. Oh, now.
Okay, this was the finished product of the honey brown color I was trying to achieve after like 4 tries. So now I'm going to move on to the darker brown to put at the ends. I came back with a fresh bowl of water. Some people just add the drops of the darkest brown in the same bucket as the honey brown, but I didn't want to do that because I already tried it and it didn't work. So I was like, let me just get a fresh batch. I just want to be 100% transparent with y'all, because like I said, this did take some time. So make sure you're patient, and you're not going to put as much water in the bowl when you're dyeing the ends, so you don't need that much. And you're just gonna put a little bit of dye in there and just saturate the ends.
Tonight, look at what you made me do. Oh, somebody new. Oh, baby, baby, I'm dancing with a stranger. Look at what you made me do. Oh, somebody new. Oh, baby, baby, I'm dancing with a stranger. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say.
As you can see right here in this slow-mo, it's already giving the ombre effect. Look how it looks, guys. So I'm done. I'm done. I'll blow dry it and then come back. Hopefully it's okay. It's my first time doing it, so fingers crossed. Hey y'all, so I didn't get a chance to film the install portion, but I wanted to come back so you guys can see the hair straighten. Like you already seen it curl, but this is how it looks straightened. I'm gonna turn around. Like I said, this is a 26-inch wig. Hold on, brush it so it's not separated in the back. But this is how it looks. And I like the color, like I said. Oh. But yes, I really love it. I'm gonna keep it in for a couple of weeks and then on to the next color. You already know, gotta keep it in rotation. But I thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and also leave down in the comments what you like better, straight or curled. I like curl, but I don't know. I just like straight, so it could be on my butt. And it stops right here on my butt. I'm 5'3", by the way, just in case you were wondering. But yes, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.